Hi, this is Julian Stanitzke, and this is my take on project number 2, Operationalizing Machine Learning from the Udacity Machine Learning Engineer with Azure ML course, the Nanodegree. So what did we do? So basically, we created an auto ML run with the banking data set that was provided. I can show you the experiment here and the automated run. This is it. I called it project 2. Slight note, I ran it on my own machine, not the virtual machine provided by Udacity. So let's take a look at it. Here we can see it has completed, and this is the best model that we got, a voting ensemble. So what I want to show you is that I created an endpoint. You can see here Swagger is running. This is the standard or default Swagger site. And now we explore here our local host. So yeah, as you can see, this is my project. I called it Best Model Project 2. And here we see the methods that we can use with this endpoint. Right. Here is the pipeline run overview and the pipelines in general. Here is the endpoint in the Azure ML Studio. You see, it's also Best Model Project 2. Compute type is ACL or Azure ACI or Azure Container Instance. Authentication is enabled. Application insights were enabled. We did that with a script that was provided that we had to update. Yeah. And this is the Python script that will test our endpoint if it works. This is the payload that we're going to transmit to it. And we will see if we can generate an output. I will do that with a Jupyter notebook. It runs, and you see there is the JSON output results for the 2 payloads that we transmitted. And here you can see the notebook that we worked with, where we had all the steps that were necessary. So we initialized the workspace. Here are my credentials. Created the Azure ML experiment. Here's the output. And I could show you the link to the studio so that we have it a second time. So here it is. Attached our compute cluster. Our banking set, here's the data, you can see it. We trained it, created the pipeline and the AutoML steps. Here are the steps. These have run, then we run the pipeline. You can see it in the portal here that it has been run. Here it is. Has been completed. Here's the execution summary. Here are the results. Got the best model. Tested the model. Here's the confusion matrix. Then we have here the REST endpoint. Pipeline runs, and that's it. Thank you.